how blue it is at the waterline. Wait, there's more. I know, right?
What's up, y'all? It's Jeff and Pam with you, me and the Sea Travels, bringing you another adventure. In this adventure, Pam and Avery chase icebergs on an independent iceberg excursion. As they leave
Qaqortoq,
Greenland, the small tour boat heads out into the Atlantic Ocean in search of massive icebergs.
Wow, 1.5 months during the winter?
Yeah, summer.
Summer?
And late summer.
Oh, wow.
Late summer. Wow.
Wow. Oh, look at how blue it is at the waterline.
Wait, there's more.
I know, right? Oh my gosh.
Alright, Fong, stay in my hand.
Yes, please.
I am going in that for it.
I'm not either. And it's not, I wouldn't expect you to. It's on your phone.
You can see there's some blue lines.
Yeah.
Can mean two things. The first one is when it was a part of the Greenland ice sheet, there were cracks or gaps filled with water until the water froze. So pre-frozen water. The second one could be when two glaciers have collided, it created so much friction that the color has changed.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh wow, yeah, that's a good picture.
Oh, look at, there's the bird again.
You're really happy with how that came out.
Let's see.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh, can I take a picture of your picture?
Sure.
Oh, no, I'm getting glare.
Here, let me see your phone.
This is just really cool.
Avery,
Yep.
you need to do it again.
Thank you.
Wants to reach out and grab it, though.
Oops, don't lose friction.
I'm guessing they have a net. That's what they did in Alaska.
Whoa, ice coming up.
Wow.
Oh, yeah, he's just.
There's a part of this iceberg that broke off since our last tour.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
We didn't have that ice half an hour ago.
Oh my gosh, this was half an hour ago.
hands.
Oh,
wow.
wow. Can we sit here till it does it again?
You can't promise
that's what he
anything. You
did.
never know when they're
What is, Avery, look at that piece of ice right there. Is there something in it?
Where?
The,
Oh, no. No, there's nothing in it.
it's just light hitting it.
Yeah.
That's funny, this broke off since they were out here.
Wow.
It may be a piece of that stuff sliding off.
Maybe.
Maybe. Wow.
Really cool. Can I take a picture of Christian before we lose it?
I think he's done this enough. I think he's okay.
Oh, your poor hands.
That's kind of what I was thinking.
All right.
Oh, that's cool. Look at the layers in that one.
Oh.
Look at that one. Wow.
We were told by our colleagues that the ship may be interested in buying some ice.
Yeah.
Collecting some ice for the ship.
Uh-huh.
Maybe.
Yeah, and look at the line in it.
Yeah.
You need a net, dude.
Oh my
Hey,
God.
we need some
So
ice.
we can see here.
Yeah.
I heard some
Here,
other guys
Chris,
saying that it's thousands of years old.
4,000.
Yeah. Can be 4,000, can be 10,000.
Yeah.
Depending on which from the glaciers from can up to hundreds of thousands of years.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Look at how pure it is.
So icebergs are actually translucent, but it's filled with air bubbles, as you can see
Yeah.
here, and that's why we perceive them as white.
Okay.
And this ice is very good. We usually collect for some whiskey. We even have some
Very
villages and settlements that doesn't have watering
Yeah, poor
systems.
Christian. He's
Oh,
cool.
So
wow.
they collect ice for everyday use.
Oh,
Wow.
Cooking, for drinking, for bathing, for everything.
Wow.
look at that big one
Wow.
headed towards us.
Yeah, we're gonna hit a big one.
Yeah, there's
Grab that
there's a
one,
big one
Kristen.
coming towards the
Grab
boat.
that big one.
To your right. It's right there.
Wow.
I have a pocket knife, which is actually a gift from a tourist.
Oh,
Looks
there
like,
you
thank you
go.
for the tour, Captain. Here's my card.
Here's my card.
Oh, how awesome.
McFarlane Group.
Oh, it
really?
literally is a card.
It was.
That's awesome. Oh, Ice has it breaks off. It's beautiful. That's so cool. The ships are ours. Just gonna grab some more, huh?
So do we need to move the bucket down here for you?
Oh, 4 weeks ago. Wow.
They're melting pretty fast. The crumb-
Oh, wow.
And I forgot to tell you guys, but I usually tell people that whenever you're standing up and taking pictures, please make sure you have something to
Hold
grab
on.
onto. If anything breaks off,
You're out.
we're going full speed over.
Yep.
And
Oh,
that's what we did back then. I
wow.
was like, I always wanted to say that, but it was like, brace
We're out.
And then it slowly stopped, and then to the other way again. Just kept going, trying to
amazing.
find its new balance.
Wow. I've seen videos of that, but you know, it's just amazing.
All right, come on, buddy, drop a piece.
Yeah.
And on the other side, we have this this kind of area.
Uh-huh.
The one with the dimples area, it's when the sun is shining on it, and it creates all these small pools where the water then drips off. And
Wow.
on this side, we can see it has been breaking down. And we have the drift lines. When it's solid enough, if it's good enough, we sometimes go on top of it for ice.
And you said they're supposed to around winter time, that's what you said?
No, early spring, early summer.
Up to Montgomery, it took us 8 hours to
Yeah.
move 80 miles. It was 80 miles, and it took us 8 hours.
Well, and it's funny because you know Walking Dead was filmed in Georgia, and the cover photo for Walking Dead and the it's hard to even get them.
Can you get it?
It's
Well, have
so
them
bright.
do it.
Up there, just got it.
You know, it just fills it with white.
And there's no way we can describe how big these things were.
Oh, no.
We have nothing to.
Oh, no, nothing.
That's why I tried to get that boat in with it so you could.
Well, I took one this morning out of my cabin, actually through the cabin, so you could see how close it was to where we were.
Yeah.
You know, I actually took the picture from standing on the opposite side of my bed.
That's what I did. I walked out, looked out, and I went, Avery, you need to get up and see this. So he literally leaned up in his bed and he pulled the curtains back and looked at the iceberg.
Oh, nice. And the one yesterday morning was beautiful, and it was clear and clear, and then all of a sudden it wasn't. And it was gone. Then it was gone.
I know it's not what we're out here for, but that is also very pretty.
Yeah, I was thinking that as well.
Yeah.
With the sun shining on that one,
Yeah.
so pretty. It sounded pretty good.
On land, you can see a road.
Oh yeah, you can see a face there.
Oh, yeah.
We're building an airport.
The nose, yeah. That's pretty good.
Oh, that's your airport?
It's coming airport. It's a
Okay.
Canadian company specialized in the Arctic.
Oh,
They're building
cool.
an airport in the car.
Now, as a local, are you excited for that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The locals have been.
Okay.
So that airport has been. We have only 2 airports. The Narsarsuaq and Qaqortoq, which is way up.
Oh, okay.
So that's what we use when we go to Denmark. To go to the first stop is Denmark, and then to the rest of the world.
Oh man, I love that. It's like Iceberg Alley.
You know, we have own language.
Apparently fast to ship.
It's an Inuit language. But we have Danish. It's a second language.
That's awesome.
And lots of us are trilingual. We speak Greenland, Danish, and English.
Yeah.
Okay.
But the younger generation They normally speak Greenlandic and English. But many of us are trying.
Okay, do me a favor. How do you say the name of where we are?
Is it Qaqortoq?
Qaqortoq.
It's all the way in there. I think
Hey guys, we thank you for watching. Be sure to check out one of these videos and we'll catch you next time as we go cruising through life one port at a time.